Want to represent Zara as an ambassador? Let's break down how it works. Zara does not run a traditional influencer program, but they collaborate with fashion creators through partnerships, especially via social media. Start by building a strong fashion focused profile on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Post consistently, tag Zara in your outfits, and use trending hashtags like Zara style or Zara fashion. If you gain a good traction and a loyal following, Zara's PR or marketing teams might notice and reach out. You can also try emailing their press team with your media kit and collaboration proposal. Focus on creating clean, Zara style content, minimalist, trendy, and visually polished. Would you want to be a fashion ambassador? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.